The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV is available with an optional lane departure warning system, or LDW. It uses a camera mounted in the windscreen to monitor the position of the vehicle in the lane and notify the driver if they drift out of position. The system activates automatically when the car is started, and the LDW icon is shown on the multi-information display. When the speed of the vehicle exceeds 65 km per hour and conditions are clear, the icon will change to the green standby state, showing that the camera is operating and monitoring the lane position of the vehicle. Should the vehicle drift close to the separating line, the icon will flash in amber and an audible warning will also be issued, along with a visual notification on the dashboard. This will only happen if the vehicle indicators are not in operation at the time. The system can be temporarily deactivated by pressing the LDW button on the dashboard. It will activate again when the vehicle is next started. Once the system is temporarily switched off, a longer press of 10 seconds or more will deactivate the system, and it will remain deactivated even if the vehicle is restarted. Hold the button for a further 10 seconds to reactivate. It is highly recommended that the system remains engaged and operational at all times. For further information on the operation of this system, please consult your vehicle owner's manual.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.